Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can remove a card from the Curve app. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So I want to remove this Bluetooth card right here. And to do so, we first need to deselect this card so that it's not the default use card. And we do this by just going here and selecting a new default card. So as you can see, it's now set as secondary. Once you removed it as default, go over to the settings right here, right below the card. And on this menu here, under the last option, you can see Remove Card from Curve. So if you're completely sure that you want to remove this card, just go ahead and click Remove Card from Curve. And a new confirmation window will load, so just click OK. And there we go. The card has been removed successfully. So that's how you can remove a card from Curve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.